Hey guys! In this video we gonna checking out 5 best car floor mats 2021. We arranged these products on many hours of research and testing, and we pick the 5 models. If you like and see their price, you'll check link in the description down below. So let's get started with the video. On first place we have Cat Deep Dish Rubber. Shape and size is engineered to fit most cars, trucks, vans and SUVs. Made to be trimmable to fit your vehicle's floor contours with only a pair of scissors. No more having to strain your back from stuffing your mats just to get them to fit. Simply cut through the lines until you find the perfect fitment. Measurements: front, 26 by 20 inches, rear, 20 by 19 inches. Made from high-quality polymers, our cat mats are odorless and non-toxic BPA free. Vehicles are not exposed to harmful chemicals and harsh odors. Even in high heat with the doors closed, there is no odor, so all passengers are safe when entering the vehicle. On second place we have Motor Trend FlexTough. The FlexTough is advanced performance rubber polymers are tested for extreme conditions to ensure they don't crack, split or deform. Rubberized nibs on the bottom so the mat does not move. Made to be Trimble to fit your vehicle's floor contours with only a pair of scissors. Place the mats on the floor of your vehicle after trimming, also easily remove and clean the mats of any dirt and spills. On third place we have Amazon Basics Floor Mat. All-season heavy-duty rubber floor mat, 3-piece set, front and full coverage back, for any car, SUV, or truck. Made of premium, thick, heavy-duty BPA-free rubber that's non-toxic and odorless, long-lasting, fade-resistant design won't crack, split, or warp under harsh conditions. Ergonomic no-slip grooves on the top provide comfortable foot traction, while anti-slip rubberized spikes on the bottom keep the floor mats securely in place. Simply trim as needed with a pair of scissors to ensure the perfect fit. Front measures 30.9 by 21.3 inches, runner back measures 57.5 by 18.8 inches. On fourth place we have Armor All 7884OZN. The all-season rubber floor mats protect your car's floors from dirt and debris. Improved deeper tread pattern holds water, snow, and mud. Carpet Claw anti-slip cleats keeps your floor mats in place. The 4-piece floor mat set is designed to be trimmed so that they may be customized to fit almost any vehicle. On fifth place we have Husky Liners 94041. This form-fit design process perfectly forms each liner to the detailed contours of your specific ride. The exclusive stay-put cleats help keep your liners securely in place. Also, sporty liner material is rugged and can stand up to abuse like no other. No hassle lifetime guarantee.